There is one of the chipmunks we got running around here grabbing stuff to eat. Some raisins and cranberries on the ground for him. For the squirrels too. I think we're going to switch gears here if I can find it quick enough. There he is, or she, Northern Flicker. Going to town on the suet cake. Chipmunk's gone, I think. Yeah, squirrel's there now. That's gone. Good amount of activity. Where's the screwy squirrel? There he is, or she. And it came back. That's a female, I believe. It doesn't have the black on the side of the face. Yep. I think they're still working on that one that's got the pieces in it. I think there's different kinds of suet cake in there. Okay, we're going to feed back in this. That's the look out in the forest. There's the other one over there, green one, that's still got one of those little they take off on it. See if I can yeah, he's on it still. So let me just go over to the green one, find the darn thing. And you also have the Downy Woodpecker and the Hairy Woodpecker, but those are the smaller ones. You never know which one's which, and not sure what it is, but which one it is, but that's the other suet cake. So there's just something else on there with them pecking away on, I think, the other side. But you see one side they really worked it over good, and that side they're doing pretty good in that one too. So that one's getting crunched on a lot. As he's turning around, and I'm looking over to my left and looking to hold my hand fairly still right now to get the squirrel that's over there on the ground, and still get the other Northern Flicker on that other one. I might go back to that. Let me fade out. Pull back. That's so let me come back over to this one. It's 2.0. Gonna go up to 3.0. Oh, he's gone. She's gone. Went up the tree. Where is it? Where are you, crazy suck? I want to get you on the tree. Oh, right there. That's where it took off to. Oh, it took off somewhere else. Let me fade back to even Steven here, and I'm going the wrong way. Duh. Back to the green one. Get too excited and try to do something too quick, and I just end up going the wrong way or stuck with one thing, and I don't think he's really turning around much. But you get a shot of it. Where am I at? Just past 5 minutes. Here we go, a little bit better. Maybe I'll stop about 5.5. What else is around here? Yeah, do a little more. Turn this way a little. Oh, almost. Here we are. 5.5. Take it easy.